Hi, we are finally back to another 5-minute flower. You always start with tracing your flowers onto your fabric. I use something called carbon transfer paper. I have it linked below. There's a ton of ways to transfer patterns onto fabric. I'll link the video, but this is the one I use the most often. I start with the petals, and I just do a satin stitch. I start in the middle of the petal, and then kind of go to the edges of the petal. So when you come back up to do that second stitch, don't do it right next to your first stitch. Spread out the first couple stitches. It just seems to make the satin stitch come out better for some reason. After you get those first few stitches with the basic shape, then you can go back in and start going next to your other stitches. And just continue to fill in the petal until it's all the way finished. Then you can do the same thing with the other 3 petals. For the stem, I'm going to do the split stitch. So you come up through the back of your embroidery, go down 1 stitch length, and then when you come back up, you're going to go right through the middle of that first stitch. Then go forward another stitch, and back up through the middle of that stitch. And just repeat that process over and over again until your stem is done. Then for the leaves, I do the fishbone stitch. So start at the top of your leaf, and then you're going to bring it down about halfway through the center of your leaf. Your next stitch is going to go just a little bit lower than your first, right next to it. And then it's going to go a little bit lower at the bottom of that first stitch. Then you do the same thing at the other side. And then you just repeat the process over and over again until your leaf is done. Then I'm going to do a little colonial knot for the center of the flower. So come up through the middle. Take your thread and you're going to wrap it around your needle 3 to 4 times. The more you wrap it, the bigger your knot will be. Go right back down almost to the exact spot that you went up and just pull that needle all the way through. Secure it in the back, and then that is it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see more 5-minute flowers and other embroidery tutorials.